Hey, Vijay Shankar is a power
Even
player.
God cannot help Vijay Shankar.
I would say Kamboj and Khalil Ahmed will be the pick for the Indian pacer.
Like, I don't know what MI is doing. Why are they not taking Glenn Phillips? Like, I have no clue.
I
Like, he would have
I
been...
really don't understand. Maxwell for 4 crore, correct? Nehal Vadera for 4 crore.
गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ क्रिकेट बैंटर एंड इनसाइट्स। इसमें हम आईपीएल के ऑक्शन के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं एंड हम टीम बाय टीम जाएंगे एंड वी विल शेयर आवर व्यूज़ अबाउट कौन से टीम ने कौन से प्लेयर को क्या प्राइस में लिया, वो अच्छा था कि बुरा था, एंड वील डिस्कस सम ऑफ द मोमेंट्स ऑफ द आईपीएल ऑक्शन which made us laugh, cry and maybe throw things at the TV. So let's begin.
More like throw things on the TV. So
Uh,
let's begin with the Chennai Super Kings.
What do you guys think? सबसे सरप्राइजिंग प्लेयर और कौन सा लगा जो इन्होंने पिक किया है, और सबसे इम्प्रेसिव बाय कौन सा लगा अकॉर्डिंग टू यू ऑल?
there are two buys, according to me, that were really good. One is Sam Curran for 2.4 CR. Like, that is like a steal. Even if he plays 2 matches, he's still like, he got his money's worth. Last time he went for 18 CR. I don't think he has performed that bad to go from 18 to 2.4. And the other one is Ravindra. Like, going for 4 CR was a steal for some reason. And one player that everyone was bidding, like I think 2 teams were going really hard, and I didn't know who he is this guy, Gurjapneet Singh. Apparently, he's been playing for Tamil Nadu TNPL, I think, and then what he has been is he's a replacement of T Natarajan in their team. And Ashwin has been mentoring him.
Okay.
So Ashwin has been mentoring this guy a lot, and he's an opening left-arm bowler. And he seems to be a very good pick from what I have read about him and what I've seen about it right now. He seems to be one of the very good picks that they have.
So about Rachin Ravindra, me and Yuvi were watching the auction together. And I remember कि 3.25 पे ये पंजाब को मिला। उसके बाद चेन्नई ने बोला कि राइट टू मैच, एंड देन पंजाब हैड टू ऑफर, और पंजाब 3.25 के बाद 4 करोड़ पे उसको लेने का ट्राई कर रहे थे। I mean you can see right what a stupidity। आप 4 करोड़ कैसे बिड कर रहे हो उसके बाद राइट टू मैच के उसमें? I mean
उन्होंने परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट किया, उन्होंने वैल्यू देखा नहीं।
They should have done just 6 CR, like 7-8 CR.
Exactly. 6 CR तो कम से कम कहना चाहिए था, right? हाँ।
Yeah.
But I feel कि अगर आपने रचिन रविंद्र को लिया है और आपने सैम करन को लिया है, तो इन दोनों में से ना कोई एक ही जना खेल पाएगा मेरे ख्याल से। So we will have to kind of look at it from that point of view as well, because अगर मैं इनके ओवरसीज प्लेयर देखूं तो फिर पतिराना plays, correct?
Yeah.
Noor Ahmed plays
for sure, and by the way,
correct,
Noor Ahmed is my signing for Chennai for sure.
Correct.
He will be crazy at Chennai.
Correct, and Conway plays, right? Conway opens. तो ये 3 ओवरसीज प्लेयर हो गए, and now you need the 4th one. So 4th one is either going to be Rachin Ravindra or Sam Curran.
So they will flip, right? If they go and play in Bombay, if they go play in Bangalore, or they go play in Ahmedabad, then Sam Curran has a very good chance of playing there.
Correct.
Right? Rachin Ravindra will definitely play when he's in Chennai, most likely. Or even like pitches like Delhi, where it's going to be a super high scoring game. It can be Ravindra, it can be Sam Curran, it can be anyone for that matter who plays, right?
Correct. And the other thing is, because Patirana is very injury prone, so you need a backup like Sam Curran or even like Nathan Ellis, जो वो लोग ने लिया है 2 करोड़ में, that Nathan Ellis and Sam Curran can be a backup to Patirana as well, in case Patirana gets injured, because उसका injury record is not that great, Patirana का. So
Tirana has been on and off. Quite a bit.
so that
But
is
Noor Ahmed, they got it Noor Ahmed for a really nice price.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like 10 CR, I know it's on a little bit on the higher end, but I still feel for Chennai pitch, he's tailor-made.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
agreed.
exactly.
And with Dhoni at the back and guiding him, it's going to be
Yeah.
so good for Noor Ahmed himself
Yeah.
as well as Chennai, right? And Ashwin also. So
Yeah.
Ashwin is going to be kind of mentor.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Imagine you have a spin attack which is Noor Ahmed, R. Ashwin, and Jadeja. So
On the
that's
Chennai pitch.
on the Chennai pitch, right?
On the
So
Chennai
that I mean your home. That's why this is why Chennai usually qualifies in the top 4, right? They lock in. वो लोग के home games जो रहते हैं ना, the spin combination is such that they are the favorites at their home, kind of a thing, and the kind of pitch that they have. So I think great
So
option
if
again
you
overall
look
by
at the
Chennai.
playing 11, what do you be? Gaikwad and Conway to open,
For sure.
Correct. Yeah.
right? One down,
Yeah.
let's assume right now is going to be Ravindra.
Yeah.
Maybe
Tripathi.
not.
It can be
Tripathi
Tripathi.
will
as
be. Yeah, it will be Tripathi for me.
हो
Yeah,
सकता है.
Tripathi.
हो सकता है.
well. Tripathi can be a good one down or Ravindra. So let's assume it's Tripathi right now in the first 11. So Gaikwad, Conway, Tripathi at 3, Dubey at 4,
Correct.
right?
Then we go way down and we have a lot of value buys which they have got.
Huda at 5.
Yeah.
Huda को
can
I
be
won't
good.
keep 5. He's not a finisher, यार. He is he's a backup for I think Tripathi. I don't think at 5
So-
you need power.
So Varun, what I'll tell you is, don't go by what Huda was doing at Lucknow or his earlier stints. See what he will do under Dhoni and CSK banner, and I think the perception will completely change of an individual. So if you look at so many players here, let's say even a Vijay Shankar, we don't
Vijay
know
Shankar
how
can
he will.
come.
Yeah.
Hey, Vijay Shankar is a power
Even
player.
God cannot help Vijay Shankar. Even God cannot improve his playing 11, his playing style. So I don't know why how can people buy Vijay Shankar and let go someone else? Like there are so many good unsold players. How can you go for Vijay Shankar? I still don't. But any which way, he's there. So let's see number 5. Let's put Huda at 5 right now.
Yeah.
6 will be obviously Jadeja. 7 will be Dhoni, right? Dhoni is 7. 8 can be Ashwin, maybe, depending where they're
Ashwin.
playing,
Yes,
right?
for sure.
If they want
Yeah,
a second spinner. So 8 Ashwin. 9 will be, let's assume Patirana is 9.
Noor Ahmed.
Noor Ahmed 10.
Noor Ahmed 10. So that leaves one more player, can be Karan.
लेकिन
Karan can be one.
overseas हो गए.
Karan
Overseas हो गए.
4 हो गए.
नहीं हुए ना.
Three
I
हुए
have
ना.
not taken Ravindra. I have not taken Ravindra.
अच्छा, we have not taken Ravindra.
If Ravindra plays, he plays top 3, and if Karan plays, he plays top 7. Basically, Dhoni ke pehle he may kind of come in.
Yeah.
Given that Dhoni
So
does not
exactly,
want to take too many
Karan
balls.
can be 7 and Dhoni will be 8, basically, because Dhoni
Yeah.
doesn't want to bat pretty much. So
Correct.
he just wants to bat 5 balls. So he can be 7, 8. So the depth of batting will be like crazy, because 8 or uske baad Ashwin will be number 9,
Correct.
right? So their batting depth also becomes good. And I think they are missing out on one. So Khalil Ahmed is going to be probably one of their left arm
Indian
bowlers.
bowlers.
Then they have they can even do impact player. So they actually have to
Correct.
pick 12, not 11, right?
Correct.
So
So I think that's where Huda is going to come in as an impact player.
Hmm.
Or Huda or Vijay Shankar, one of those two, depending
One
on
of
the
those two.
situation.
they can actually swap Noor Ahmed with Ravindra.
Yeah.
No, you can't swap overseas players.
Yeah, you can't. If they play
Oh,
3,
yeah,
then the
okay.
4th one can come in.
Yes.
If they play 3, the starting 11 has 3, then the 4th one will come in. You're right.
Correct.
So that can't happen. So all depends.
By the way, any thoughts on Kamboj?
Kamboj is someone they were really, really aggressive on when they were bidding.
Bidding.
So I think I would say Kamboj and Khalil Ahmed will be the pick for the Indian pacer. उन दोनों में से कोई एक के पास जाएंगे वो लोग मेरे ख्याल से मतलब देखना पड़ेगा. I think Khalil Ahmed I don't think might be a sure shot kind of a thing in this case. So let's see because I think CSK उनको अच्छा लगता है ये नए नए प्लेयर्स को लेके आना उनको खिलाना. तो तुषार देशपांडे को देख लो और एक दो और प्लेयर्स को खिलाया था उन्होंने.
Tushar Deshpande has just gone for 5.5, right?
I know, but
you kidding
2
me?
साल पहले कौन जानता था उसको?
So
Yeah.
So Kamboj is again, if history repeats itself, then he's an MI player who doesn't perform in MI but will perform everywhere else.
Exactly. तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
Yeah, so it can be a history kind of thing where MI will find these people and then give it off to other teams for them to play well, like Maxwell, like MI का तो we'll get to MI.
but I feel एक चीज वो लोग ने मिस की है चेन्नई ने I think and that was their weakness last year as well is they don't have a power hitter and playing at 5 and 6. I think that was a problem last year as last IPL as well. I think ये time भी हो सकता है उनको problem आए.
I think Dubey did a good job last year.
But Dubey is number 4. I'm saying something like a 5 and 6, a closer of the game, kind of a thing, right? I mean, you cannot rely too much on Dhoni with that aspect, according to me, because of course, at some point the age catches up, right? So, I feel कि वो क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि ठीक है आप होम पे तो अच्छा कर रहे हो क्योंकि लो स्कोरिंग विकेट है. You have good spinners and low scoring wicket mein your batting is deep playing the 8, right? You will score 160 runs, it's fine. But when you go to someone like Mumbai and you have to chase 200, 220, or you go to something like Chinnaswamy and you have to chase 220 or 200, something like that, and especially in knockout games as well, if the game goes to that 200 score, और आपके पहले के 1-2 प्लेयर 3 प्लेयर्स नहीं चले गायकवाड कॉनवे दुबे then that closing becomes very difficult according to me for Chennai and that I think is their weakness. ये थोड़ा last year भी ऐसे ही था और ये साल भी शायद ऐसे हो सकता है उनको थोड़ा problem आए I think.
Yeah, so, it can. You're right. Like if you're chasing higher totals, then I think Tripathi will play a big role. From what I can see, he'll be the floater. They might bring in Ravindra if their batting goes weak. They might bring in Ravindra at 3 and Tripathi at 4. Remember, Ravindra has been training at the Chennai Academy all this while. So even preparing for the Indian-New Zealand Test series, he was in Chennai. So again, 4 crores.
Which makes Punjab's bid even more
ridiculous.
Suspect.
Like I don't know what they were doing. So like Ravindra at 3, Tripathi 4, and then Dubey goes in at 5. That can also be an option for them, where Dubey just slips one down for them to be able to accommodate, like counter attack or whatever it is, depending on the ground where they are playing. Like Mumbai and Chinnaswamy, Wankhede and Chinnaswamy, he should come in at 4. There is no point keeping him at 5, right? But all depends on the opposition and what he's playing. But overall, if you rate Chennai out of 10, what would be your rating?
I would give it
7.5.
7 to 8 के बीच में I would give it.
Yeah, same. It's
7,
not
7
like,
I feel.
Yeah, I think this is Chennai being Chennai. They keep their core. They've kept their core always. Like 7-8 players that they keep always are there, and homecoming kind of thing for Ashwin. Right? It's a homecoming for him. So, like, I would give a solid 7 and 7.58 again in this situation where they have a good 12, 13 players. The backups, we'll have to see who these guys are. Like, again, under Dhoni, they can perform, they cannot perform. We don't know if they're needed. They might not even be needed because they only play with 12, 13 players any which ways. They keep 25, but they only keep playing with 12, 13 players. They never went that beyond that, right? So all
Correct.
depends how we go, right?
Cool.
Chalo,
Next
let's
one.
go
Let's
to the
head to the
next.
next.
Yes.
Delhi Capital.
25. Yeah, we can go to Delhi actually. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go alphabetical
Hmm.
and let's sort by most expensive.
If you guys have a preference or a team that you guys are really surprised or shocked with, मतलब जो आपको बिल्कुल ही मतलब out of the blue लगा कि ये टीम कैसे बन गए, तो we can go to that also. अगर ऐसा
So
कुछ
let's look at Delhi.
Delhi उसके बाद करते हैं, हाँ.
I think
is-
Delhi he played really smart. It's much I can
Delhi.
look at it. Yeah,
You think so?
I do. जैसे
See,
some
they
of
were
the
they were
decisions-
borderline between they were this close to being absolutely like butchered. in
hopeless. Yeah.
And you could have seen on Jindal like the corner's face, like what the two corners were like not seeing eye to eye on Shreyas Iyer.
Yeah.
Like 25 lakhs extra that guy was wanted to give. This guy is like definitely not happening. And he was like pudge gay, sigh of relief. Where when Punjab went for 25 lakhs extra on him, this guy is like Niklo yahan se. That's it. We don't want to do anything more here.
Actually,
So कुशल भाई एक ऑब्जर्वेशन जो हमारा था ना ये ऑक्शन के बीच में, if you notice there were maybe only one or two teams, and I'll be very specific. Chennai में Stephen Fleming had the control of the bat, of the paddle,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
he was the one who was driving the entire decision-making process. There were people he was discussing with, but the final decision seemed to be his. Whereas you look at Punjab, you look at any of the other teams, it was always the owner who was kind of wanting to be in the spotlight.
Yeah.
Lucknow ले लो या Hyderabad ले लो. Most of
Mumbai
these
ले लो.
owners, Mumbai ले लो. But Mumbai में at least they had a plan, because I feel they let go of a lot of players
Yeah.
जो maybe someone would have bid on. But I'm just saying in general, I think that is the Chennai structure at work, which actually kind of works best in this sort of format. Instead of the owners being in the spotlight, it is the management who should actually take the calls.
Management and Dhoni on the phone always. Dhoni is always 20. Of the full auction, he's on the phone, but he just gives his opinion. From what I feel, I think he just gives a stamp of approval or or rejection, but he will never be like Yesko Lena. That call I think resides with Fleming always. They do a lot of good planning. I feel.
Correct.
Lot of good planning they go with. Right?
Yes, so back to the Delhi ownership and the hierarchy.
So, yeah, go ahead.
you-
Go ahead.
Delhi, one of the best teams. I'll be surprised if this year they don't qualify. This year, if they're not in the top 4, it will be very this is one of their best chances, I feel, because if you look at how they've retained and the players that they've got, right, their bowling lineup and their batting, I think this is one of the best teams they've ever been, from what I've seen, right? Like Rahul at 14 compared to Pant at
A year and 27.
a year and both the Ayers, Venkatesh and Shreyas, right?
Yeah.
Going at over 20, 22, 23. Rahul at 14, it's a steal, right? Especially with players in such high demand. And he's going to be the leader. Most likely he's going to be the captain any which way. I don't see any other captain unless Akshar Patel becomes the captain. I don't think
There's a gentleman by the name of Faf down there.
Faf du Plessis. But then
Faf might not start in the current setup.
Yeah, exactly. So in that situation, they've taken him in on the things, I think, more like his mentor role. Being in the team, I think that one overseas spot just for captaincy might not be
Justified.
justified kind of thing right now. If they had no options, right now they have a lot of options. So if you look at it, right, like Akshar Patel, obviously great buy, right? At 16.5, they retained him. Amazing. Rahul, Kuldeep Yadav at 13.25, he performed really well last year. Mitchell Stark, they got what a pay cut that he has received. So Mitchell Stark, Tina Trajan, Tristan Stubbs, again one of those MI guys. where
playing really well now.
playing
The
really
new,
well, where
the
MI let
new
him go.
AB de Villiers.
Yeah. So Fraser McGurk, right? Like he was amazing last year.
Correct.
Brook for 6.25. This can be his season. Like last year, I think with Hyderabad, he was not. 2 years ago with Hyderabad, he was not sure on his batting order. Sometimes he's 2, sometimes he's 4, sometimes he's opening. So Brook, great. Abhishek Porel played well last time. So at least they have a very good starting level.
I
What do
think
you? And Rohit Sharma?
दो मेरे ख्याल से I kind of I'm not a big KL Rahul fan when it comes to T20, and I think UV knows this. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो 14 crore for KL Rahul is a bit high. I mean, of course, he can captain the team,
Yeah.
but I feel his captaincy, मेरे ख्याल से, in my opinion, मेरे को उसकी captaincy भी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, honestly. But that's just my point of view on KL Rahul.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
I feel for some reason they have missed वो लोग के पास I think Indian batsmen की थोड़ी कमी है, जहां तक मैं वो स्क्वाड को पढ़ रहा हूँ, करेक्ट? क्योंकि मेरे को दो प्लेयर्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं उनके बैटिंग में जो खेलेंगे, वो है केएल राहुल एंड अभिषेक पोरेल. उसमें भी केएल राहुल का आई एम तो नॉट अ बिग फैन इन T20, करेक्ट? टेस्ट मैच प्लेयर वो फिर भी ठीक ठाक है. एंड देन अभिषेक पोरेल ठीक है, ओके, लाइक नॉट लाइक अ लाइक अ गन प्लेयर, ठीक है. उसके अलावा आपके पास इंडियन बैट्समैन में अगर आप बोल रहे हो आशुतोष शर्मा, तो भी वो मतलब एक सीजन था लास्ट ईयर, उसके पहले उसका इतना वो नहीं है, कुछ मतलब रुतबा नहीं है उसका. अक्षर पटेल अगेन ऑलराउंडर के अंदर आ गया, करेक्ट? तो वेयर इज दैट अदर बैट्समैन?
Aksar's batting is actually very good. He has not
but
been...
I'm counting him, still I feel it's less.
So if
आप
you
बताओ
think
कि
about
उनके
it, right?
उनके पहले 6 बैट्समैन कौन से हैं?
So again,
I would open with McGurk for sure.
Rahul McGurk will open.
Yes. Harry Brook one down.
Harry
Brook most likely.
Okay.
Last year Porel played at 3 almost. So if they're playing him, they have to play him at 3, right? 4 will be Stubbs.
Okay.
Right? 5 will be Brook. Most likely their finisher style, because he plays 4-5 for England also. So 5 will be Brook, let's say, right? And so they've used up 3 spots. Then 6 will be Patel, right?
6 will be Patel. It's a position
6 can be
high
Sharma as well. 6 can be Sharma as well.
Yeah, Ashutosh
6 can be Sharma and 7 Patel.
7 Patel, right? So they've used up 3 spots of their forward players right now.
Yeah, and Stark will be the 4th, and that's why Faf cannot play.
That's why Faf. So 8 will be, let's say, right now Stark.
So, unless like a McGurk doesn't perform, like I think McGurk has not been in form since the IPL.
Correct.
So I think
but they have that option.
Can be
Faf
one
is the
avenue.
backup. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Faf backup है उसका, correct.
So their top 7, if you look at it, it's very strong for T20.
Yeah.
Barring KL Rahul, depending on the day, how he turns up, it's always the case, right? Sometimes he turns up in his test match mode, then it screws up. Sometimes he turns up in his like T20 destructive mode and he can score like 130 balls, like that kind of player, right?
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आप वो 7 गिन रहे हैं, लेकिन वो 7 में से एक केएल राहुल है, एक अभिषेक पोरेल है और तीसरा आशुतोष शर्मा है, करेक्ट? तो ये 3 प्लेयर हैं. उसमें से केएल राहुल स्ट्राइक रेट कम है, अभिषेक पोरेल का इज नॉट प्रूवन, करेक्ट? आशुतोष शर्मा इज नॉट प्रूवन, राइट?
Last year he had a good season, but absolutely he's not.
Exactly. और अगर इसमें से किसी को इंजरी भी हो जाती है तो कौन है आपके पास? मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका वो जो बैटिंग में इंडियन बैट्समैन का स्लॉट है टॉप 7 में, that's a weak link in Delhi team right now.
They've taken Karun Nair, but obviously he's in the fag end of his career.
And I think Rizvi को किसको लिया? एक और कोई बैट्समैन को
लिया?
Rizvi. Chennai's big hope last season.
But मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, ये प्लेयर करुण नायर, रिजवी, आप देखो अगर आपको इम्पैक्ट सब भी लेके आना है, तो आपको जो 4th बैट्समैन है इंडियन बैट्समैन, वो भी ज्यादा कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर नहीं है, करेक्ट? सो आई फील वो इंडियन बैटिंग का जो कोर है वो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है दिल्ली का, आई फील. सो आई
No,
थिंक दैट
agree,
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज अ
absolutely.
वीकनेस.
That
दिल्ली
can
में.
be a weakness if as you said, like the Abhishek Porel and these guys don't perform, then
करेक्ट.
that
तो
can
कोई
be a big
बैकअप नहीं है
problem
आपके
for them.
पास.
So कोई backup नहीं है. Well, they shift around. Probably they'll move Stubbs to 3, or they'll move Brook to 3, and then remove Porel and replace him with someone else. We don't know how things are going to work. But if you look at their 7, we counted 8 of them right now, including Stark.
7.
Stark at 8. Yeah.
Stark,
at
हाँ, Stark at 8,
8,
correct.
8, 9 would be, if you think about it, 9 would
Kuldeep
be
Yadav.
Kuldeep Yadav is 9, T. Natarajan is 10,
Yeah.
right? And Mukesh
Right.
Kumar can be the 11. So they can go with
Correct.
3 fast bowlers. Spinners are 2, Akshar Patel and Kuldeep Yadav, 5. They don't have any other all-rounder which can come in, like
Exactly.
Stubbs. They don't bowl as such, right?
हाँ,
Who
तो
can
मैं
come
वो
in
भी
on a
वो
bad
भी एक
day.
वीकनेस है. Yeah.
So they are like right now 5 bowlers, including Akshar Patel, who's an all-rounder, right now.
Correct.
Right? So they need a minimum of 6 bowlers. So impact player में they might take out one of like a Porel. Well, उनका keeper will be KL Rahul. So Porel will come out, and then maybe they'll get in
Mohit Sharma.
Mohit Sharma, like a Mohit Sharma or something in there
Correct.
to make their 6 bowlers.
बट अगेन वो भी एक वीकनेस है कि अक्षय पटेल इज एन ऑलराउंडर, पर उसके अलावा और कोई बैटिंग बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर नहीं है जो who can
they
chip in.
don't- not that we can see.
Genuine.
Not that we
yeah.
can see. हाँ.
They can
So-
see, they can say Rizvi kind of here, Samir Rizvi, but we've not seen him as much
Yeah.
performing as yet, right?
Correct.
So yeah, so that can be a weakness. So it can be a solid like a 5 or 6 kind of thing for 6, 7, 6.5 kind of a rating for Delhi.
Correct.
Yeah, मतलब based on the analysis, there are gaps. It's not
There are
clear
gaps.
कि yeah, it's like a very proven squad, but definitely based on how Delhi do normally, it's like the expectation इतना low था कि अगर ये
हाँ.
भी आया तो it seems better than regular setup for them.
But again, if their top 7, 8 perform, then it can be a gung-ho side, because all of them will kind of like their 3 key players are Stubbs, Fraser McGurk, and Harry Brook. If these 3 guys perform, like no score is out of reach for them in chasing, right? Like they can even score 250 in this situation if these 3 perform, because they are all 3 are very aggressive batsmen.
Yeah, power hitters.
Correct.
Power hitters, right? So they have a good batting that way. But yeah, depending on Rahul how it works. So yeah, let's say a 6.5 kind of thing for Delhi.
एक और मेरे को लग रहा है कि when you are looking at overseas players, right, you need overseas players का भी बैकअप चाहिए आपको. Correct. Now suppose आपके पास Stark is your overseas bowler. Correct. What if he's injured? Or what if because of some Australia commitment वो नहीं खेल पाया? तो that's a big drop in quality from Stark to Chamira. या आप कोई भी लो, Stark की जगह आप मोहित शर्मा को खिलाओ and you can play Faf as a batsman. But that drop in quality is significant according to me. तो वो लोग ने वो बैकअप्स भी आई थिंक फॉरेन प्लेयर के बैकअप्स थोड़ा कैलकुलेट नहीं किया अच्छे से, आई फील. जैसे व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि पतिराना का बैकअप है इन चेन्नई, वेदर दे कैन प्ले नेथन एलिस और दे कैन प्ले सैम करन एज अ बॉलर पतिराना की जगह. तो आई थिंक ये थोड़ा उनका डेप्थ में, क्वालिटी ऑफ डेप्थ विल बी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम बोथ इन इंडियन बैटिंग पर्सपेक्टिव and overseas bowler perspective.
True.
Fair point.
True. So fair point. Let's see how it goes with them. Yeah, fair point. Next, लेना है क्या करना है?
Next,
Let's go to the next one.
any team that you find that really stood out. For me, I will tell you two teams for me were really interesting. One was Punjab. Correct. Me and you were really making fun of them for their first Shreyas Iyer वाला thing, but actually their team has actually बहुत अच्छी बन गई है actually उनकी team पंजाब की.
Let's see how Punjab has turned out.
Other one is that is very interesting, I feel, is also Sunrisers Hyderabad. So
Hyderabad is all action always since last year.
So let's go
Give
to
them the
Punjab.
cup right now. Give them the cup already. Like they are that kind of team. Gujarat also has become very good team. So if you want to see Gujarat, they have done really well this season.
So let's go to Gujarat.
Let's go. We'll not disappoint Kushal bhai.
Okay. So if you see Gujarat, right? Khan, Rashid Khan, Shubham Gill, Butler, right? They got Mohammad Siraj, Rabada, Krishna. So
They
got a good.
got Glenn Phillips. I was waiting कौन लेगा Glenn Phillips को उन्होंने ले लिया यार. That is like
Well,
a
Lelia,
game changer.
they even got Glenn Phillips. Imagine they even got Glenn
Game
Phillips.
changer है वो.
Like I don't know what MI is doing. Why are they not taking Glenn Phillips? Like I have no clue.
I really don't understand. Yeah. मेरे को भी नहीं. मेरे को लग रहा था Glenn Phillips और Phil Salt. I thought Glenn Phillips, Phil Salt और Quinton de Kock. I thought 3 players that MI will really target this season. And of course Will Jacks as well. But Will Jacks is pretty good. But
so if you look at it,
yeah.
like in terms of their, like forget about all these smaller players, right? So Glenn Phillips they do. So if you see Rashid Khan, Shubham Gill, Butler, Rabada, Krishna, Shai Sudarshan, they have these 2 finishers, right? Washington Sundar for 3.2.
Crazy.
Apparently, like really crazy. They got Rutherford as well. Kotse, Phillips, Shai Kishore, and Lamrod. So in
From a
terms of
squad perspective, it is really good.
it's really good. Like they have backup for backups kind of thing, right?
इसके नीचे भी अब आइए और भी आपको मिलेंगे.
हाँ मतलब these guys though I like some of them are unknowns right now so we don't know much, but if you look at it like it's really good the way they got all the players. Like Anuj Rawat is good, kind of like or your keeper / available like करना है तो कर लो उसको cheap में. So Kushagra was decent. So ईशांत शर्मा वो तो पता नहीं वो नेहरा का फ्रेंड है इसलिए ले लिया उसने. और ईशांत शर्मा को भी 75 lakhs क्यों देते पता नहीं but उसको भी ले लिया. So and Jayant Yadav they took him as well again, right? So like they built a really Ashish Nehra is smart, so he made a really good squad if you look at it, right? What do you guys think?
सबसे अगर आप just look at their fast bowlers, correct? It's a pattern. उनका fast bowlers, tall, fast bowlers is what they are going for, or like proper hit the deck fast bowlers. You have Prasidh Krishna, you have Mohammad Siraj, you have Rabada, and you have Kotze.
Yeah.
And Kotze, right? So of course Kotze is more like a backup for Rabada, but that's a very strong fast bowling lineup according to me. And to match that, if you put Rashid Khan to add to that as a quality frontline spinner and Washington Sundar.
Yeah.
Washington Sundar, exactly, right? So
and Shai Kishore.
Shai Kishore as a backup, correct? So I think it's a very, at least in the bowling department, they are sorted, I feel. And then even if the bowlers, if you see, हम लोग नीचे अगर जाते हैं, if they do Prasidh Krishna, Siraj, and as the last 2 players, and then they do Rabada at number 9, who can bat, right?
Yeah, he can.
Then there is Rashid Khan at number 8 who can bat. There is this one, Washington Sundar at number 7 who can bat. And this is without counting the impact sub. We are not removing Siraj or Prasidh Krishna as of now. नहीं तो वो बैटिंग 10 तक चली जाएगी उनकी. So yeah, I mean, I think
honestly their front 3 is possibly a really good match. You've got Butler, Gill, and Sai Sudarshan.
Yeah.
So they'll open with Gill and Butler.
Yeah.
1 down will be Shai Sudarshan.
Yeah.
3, 4 will be. I think they are missing like a good 4, but I don't think Phillips will fit in right now. So 4 can be Shah Rukh Khan, which is too high for him. 4 is a little bit high for him. 5 Tewatia, let's say, which is again they are one stop ahead.
And I feel if I would honestly want maybe someone like a Rashid Khan to have more responsibility in batting. Whenever he gets those chances at the end, right, he can really take the charge as well. or maybe a Washington Sundar, if I look at from an Indian perspective, just give him a little bit more responsibility in terms of batting. I think that can be good overall sense, man. Maybe not necessarily for the team, but just it'll create a new
Rutherford,
option.
right? Shane Rutherford is the left-hander, right? I think
Yeah.
West Indian, yeah.
West Indian. So he can be a good 4, but then they lose.
Phillips
bowlers.
नहीं खेल पाएगा. Phillips नहीं खेल
Yeah.
पाएगा.
So maybe Phillips can squeeze in. Let's assume that Phillips squeeze in at 4. 5 will be Shahrukh, and 6 will
Shahrukh.
be Tewatia.
Correct.
Sundar,
7 can be Sundar. 8 can be
7.
Rashid Khan.
Correct. 8 will be Rashid Khan, 9 will be Rabada, 10 will be
Siraj.
Krishna, and Siraj as 11.
So they
And
got
then-
4 overseas where we got Phillips is 1, Rabada
Yes.
is 2, Rashid Khan and Butler.
Correct.
These are the 4, which I doubt they'll give Phillips a chance. Maybe. I don't know.
Rutherford आप बोल रहे हो?
Maybe Rutherford gets a better chance, depending he bats 4 or not. I don't remember where he bats in West Indies.
Let's
But
check.
yeah, so let's click on it.
I think ये लोग का भी the only thing I feel as कुशल भाई also kind of alluded to कि मतलब ये 4, 5, 6 वो लोग का थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा उनको कि कैसे वो लोग स्ट्रक्चर कर रहे हैं. तो I think that is the only. The first 3 are very good. The bottom 5 are very good. जो बीच के
Only
3 है
4,
ना,
5, 6.
4, 5, 6 is something that they will have to kind of.
He usually bats number 5.
Number
Rutherford.
5. Wait.
हाँ. लेकिन ये लोग के पास पहले क्या मिलर आता था 5 पे, करेक्ट? तो I was very surprised कि ये लोग ने मिलर का राइट टू मैच नहीं किया.
Correct.
But I feel they would have कुछ reason होएगा उनका. But I feel ये 4 to 6 उनको देखना पड़ेगा. Tewatia of course has kind of delivered whenever required. But I think Shahrukh I feel is थोड़ा अभी भी मेरे को इतना confidence नहीं है शाहरुख पे. But I feel वो देखना पड़ेगा. And how Glenn Phillips or Shane Rutherford comes at 4. Let's see. I think that is the important bit in Gujarat.
Exactly. And Lamror, like with RCB, he's never been like their go-to player. He's been good at times. Flashes of brilliance always there. Like last year also, he had flashes of brilliance, but
Correct.
you can't rely on him.
Same Anuj Rawat के लिए भी you can say the same thing कि you know like
हाँ,
flashes
same
of brilliance but not kind of very reliable.
Not very
So-
reliable, right? So it all depends on maybe their initial couple of games, how they go and how they play, right? To
Correct.
settle into a new squad, how they do it. But at
Correct.
least they 10 are like their 9, 10 are very good. They might have to fill in 1 or 2 spots.
Correct. वो 4, 5, 6 का ही spot है. बाकी I think the team is pretty.
बाकी-
In fact, 4 ही ले लो. Just number 4 position is not settled. Otherwise, you've got the remaining people fitting in line anyways.
I would say
5,
4 and 5
7.
because वो शाहरुख पर भी इतना भरोसा नहीं है. तो वो तेवतिया okay if you consider 6 पे है तेवतिया. I think वो 4 and 4 शाहरुख and Glenn Phillips का वो देखना पड़ेगा कि how they function at 4 and 5 kind of a thing.
Glenn Phillips for them 2 crores again. I think it's a great buy. He went unsold. I don't know what people were doing, like some of the teams.
Yeah.
Anyone would have got him. Like, would it be good to have Glenn Phillips, especially his fielding
Fielding
bowling
amazing. वो
and
5-6
batting.
रन
Like,
fielding में
he-
बचा लेगा.
all 3. He keeps also, if you want,
Yeah.
right? Like Mumbai
Yeah.
would have been so much better getting him right now. Mumbai का keeper ही नहीं है उनके पास. If you think
We
about
signed
it,
that
So South African.
South African, yeah.
that's South African guy. Glenn Phillips is so much better, right?
Correct.
So,
Yeah.
but anyway, so like if you think about it, so वो है. But their bowlers where death bowling is Prashit Krishna is great at death bowling, and Rabada,
Rabada.
right?
Yeah.
These two death bowling में तो यार हो गया. सिराज को तो नहीं देंगे वही better है. So like you know these two guys are death bowling also they are fixed, and Rashid Khan and Sundar
Correct.
perfect है यार. They have a good team. They have a good
They have a-
solid 8.
Yeah. I would give them 7.5, 8.
Yeah, 8 solid 8 for them. These guys 100%. Right.
Yes.
Next,
Let's go to Punjab.
let's go Punjab right now. Punjab.
Punjab में the best thing I find is कि ऑफ कोर्स आई फील कि श्रेयस अय्यर के लिए उन्होंने थोड़ा ओवरपे किया एंड आई थिंक जैसे यूवी वी वर डिस्कसिंग आई थिंक 18 करोड़ फॉर अर्शदीप एंड 18 करोड़ फॉर चाहल वाज आल्सो लाइक बहुत ज्यादा मेरे ख्याल से था. आई थिंक
In
14
hindsight,
14
yeah,
या
correct.
14 करोड़ दोनों के लिए ठीक होता. आई थिंक 22 करोड़ अकॉर्डिंग टू मी वुड ठीक होता इसके लिए श्रेयस अय्यर के लिए. तो आई थिंक उनके 8 करोड़ वहाँ पे 8 करोड़ क्या बोलूं ज्यादा ही बच जाते हैं.
Yeah,
12
yeah,
करोड़ 12 करोड़ वहाँ पे बच जाते हैं आई थिंक. बट
yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Hmm.
But they
Uh,
did a very good job getting all the
they-
value buys.
या लेकिन उनके जो वो उन्होंने ज्यादा भरा है वो वहां पे क्या कवर अप किया उन्होंने. जैनसन फॉर 7 करोड़ ऑलराउंडर करेक्ट.
Yeah.
मैक्सवेल फॉर 4 करोड़ करेक्ट. नेहल वडेरा फॉर 4 करोड़ and these and George English for 2.6 crore.
2.6.
It is I think ये 3-4 buys जो उनके हैं ना
Even
that kind of makes the team.
even Omar Zai.
Omar Zai, yeah. So Omar Zai and Ferguson are their backup foreign players.
Yes.
So
They got
that
Yash
is-
Thakur.
Yash
He
Thakur, yeah,
bowled really well last year.
correct.
Even
And,
Vaishak bowled well for RCB last year.
Correct.
Yash Thakur for Harpreet Brar was great for Punjab itself. उसको 1.5 करोड़ में वापस मिल गया.
करेक्ट. तो आई थिंक ओवरऑल ये लोग की टीम जो है ना वो काफी अभी दिखने में तो पेपर पे काफी सॉलिड लग रही है. आई मीन आई थिंक दे हैव डन अ रीजनेबल जॉब जो ये लोग ने स्पेशली ऑलराउंडर्स. नाउ यू लुक एट द ऑलराउंडर्स. योर ऑलराउंडर्स इन द मिडिल आर स्टोइनिस, मैक्सवेल एंड मार्को यानसन.
Yeah.
Correct. And all-rounders that can actually get you 6 overs. It's Jansen तो 4 ओवर डालेगा मेरे ख्याल से, but
Hmm.
at least you can squeeze out 7 to 8 overs of them, and all 3 of them can bat. And all 3 of them are
8 overs
aggressive
for
batsmen.
sure. 8 to 10 overs for sure, because if it's Chennai pitch, then Maxwell
तो
will
Maxwell
get his
डालेगा.
4 overs.
Correct.
Then Stoinis and Jansen definitely will bowl 7 overs, 6-7 overs between them. Right?
Correct,
Depending
correct.
on the pitch, Jansen will definitely bowl 4. Opening bowler hai, bats well, right?
Correct.
They even have Omar Zai for whatever reason. If they want him there, ideally he'll be just a backup. But if
Yeah.
you just see, and the bowlers में खाली देखोगे तो they have Arshdeep, 2
Correct.
great left-arm bowlers right now. Chahal, Ferguson, they have Thakur definitely will be in the opening 11, right? So and Sen bhi mil gaya. I don't know who this Barnett is, but yeah, other than that, I think Ponting का दिखता है. I think this is more of a Ponting team rather than a
number of-
Preeti Zinta or Nes Wadia team.
Number of Australians that they have उससे ही पता चलता है. Stoinis, Maxwell, English.
Exactly.
तो उससे and Nehal Vadera, what a buy for 4 crore. I mean,
Mumbai Indians again. India like सब कुछ मुंबई पे आता है मेरे को. Like I don't know what they were doing, but Nehal Vadera at 4.2 is super buy. Like Rohit Sharma rates this guy as is very highly. This guy.
और ये आर्या है. अभी I don't know who this player Arya is, but the bidding war for this Arya player was crazy.
हाँ.
And अभी देखते हैं. Like I have not seen him play or anything like that. अभी मैं देखा नहीं है, but I think
Good
काफी
T20
Strike
3.6
rate of 170, if you see. That's
Yeah, yeah.
really
Good T20 stats he has.
Yeah, so I think 2 or 3 teams were very gung-ho on him. So probably like a impact player or something like that can
Recently
be.
scored 100. Delhi versus UP, he scored 100.
वो
opening
इसमें
opening.
ये क्या बोलते हैं 100 मारा था और इसके साथ वो था बदोनी या कोई ऐसा कुछ भी. हाँ,
Badoni, ये रहा,
Yeah.
Badoni ये था.
हाँ, तो apparently this is what they were talking when the auction was going on. And I mean bowlers कौन थे इसके against?
Does he bowl?
नहीं,
no, he
मैं-
does not bowl.
नहीं उसने 100 bowlers कौन थे जो इसके अगेंस्ट पे थे? लाइक
Bhuvi,
भूवी.
Mavi, Chawla,
Okay.
और नीतीश
Okay.
राणा.
हम्म.
So चावला को मारा है उसने, शिवम
भुवी को
भावी
तो-
को मारा है.
मतलब भूवी को तो खिला ही रहेगा अगर वो ओपनिंग बैट्समैन है तो.
हाँ. He kind of played out Bhuvi and then went after the other guys. So
Correct.
seems like I know, I saw this. Like people are going gung-ho for him. So most likely he will be their opener.
करेक्ट सो एक्चुअली मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ जैसे अगर प्रभ सिमरन आपका ओपनर है तो यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ बैकअप फॉर हिम करेक्ट सो दिस
Yeah.
बैकअप बिकम रियली इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है और जैसे आपका इंग्लिश अगर इज अनदर ओपनर राइट
Middle, no, he's 4. He's 3-4.
no he'll open before that ये ओपनिंग कराएगा इंग्लिश से एंड मेरे ख्याल से आई फील कि इंग्लिश विल
Top 4. उन लोग 4 overseas कौन होंगे?
उनके पास जो 4 ओवर्स
Stoinis, Jansen, Maxwell.
Maxwell and English. Yes, that's why I was saying that Lockie Ferguson, Omarza is a backup for Jansen as a bowling all-rounder. Correct. And Ferguson is also like a kind of a backup in case they want to switch the overseas player kind of a slot.
So if you look at the playing 11, let's assume Arya they want to go play with, right? Arya, let's assume like now Arya and Singh will open, right?
Okay.
If we want to give Indian chances, this is what they might go with. 2, 1 and 2. 3 can be English, can be number 3. Or Shreyas Iyer.
मैंने Vadera. I was thinking Vadera as number 3, Shreyas Iyer as number 4. Okay. And then Stoinis at number 5, Maxwell at number 6.
Number 3 can be Stoinis as well because he played number 3 with Lucknow. But let's assume 5 and 6 they are playing right now.
Yeah, and then Shashank Singh can come in at number 7. And
he played 6 last. Yeah.
मतलब वो 6-7 जैसे भी कर लो like आप उसको and then
Sharma and him were there.
Correct. And then you have उसके बाद 2 bowlers हैं उसके बाद 4. तो आप
Jansen will be 8.
Jansen will be 8 and then
Chahal 9, Arshdeep 10.
हाँ, and then you pick Yash Thakur और उसमें से कोई एक पकड़ लो आप.
Vishak और Bangan.
Yes.
Again, they have a good lineup. Spinner में चहल के सिवा I don't think they have. Well, Maxwell है, Vadera है. Maxwell है, Vadera है. So they have those kind of spinners as well.
Harpreet Brar भी है spinner में.
Yeah, they have Harpreet Brar. So they have a very good 11 as well. I think they did well, especially after spending this kind of money on Shreyas Iyer. They still managed to come back really well. Especially with, I think they covered up on Vadera, Maxwell. So if you think 27, 31, 35, right? 35 and 38-ish types. 38 where they got good 4 players. Right? Even after spending on 27 on this guy, Shreyas Iyer, they got 38 where Baki came. So they got a good, they were able to make a great team out of that.
And if you look ने एक और player लिया है Aaron Hardy करके. Now Aaron Hardy, अभी I don't know, probably again a Australian kind of a unproven kind of a player, but of course Ponting would know कि how, and he's also like a Stoinis kind of a thing where he can bat and right arm medium kind of a.
Did he play against England right now? T20?
मेरे को actually मैंने देखा नहीं था ये.
Yeah, I think last he was playing against England, Australia, Pakistan. But they played against. I saw him against England recently.
Okay.
And he played Australia, England. This game. He played really well. This game.
So again, like
he's an all-rounder. He's a good all-rounder.
He's a backup to Stoinis, basically.
So
I think they have got like all of these backups and everything also covered. And I feel that becomes very important because क्या होता है ना कि overseas players के लिए you need backups क्योंकि कोई player injured हो जाता है और कोई player आता नहीं है because of international commitment. So I feel these foreign player backups are also बहुत important in.
Very important. Very. But as you saw, right? Like I think this has completely Ponting signature on it, where he's going to make sure that this team is going to perform well. What he did with Delhi Capitals and Mumbai and then Delhi Capitals, now with Punjab, I think he's going to turn them around. I hope this is their season.
Let's see. Punjab like
Punjab, yeah.
Where do players go to die? They go to Punjab to end their careers. Right? Like Shikhar Dhawan and people, they went to Punjab to end their careers. Let's hope that this is not the case this time.
Correct.
Right? But
Let's
again,
go
good
to
7-8. Good 7-8.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think if I look at it, only the opening pair is suspect for me. Like let's say they are not the best compared to the league, right? I think that is where their weakness lies.
Unless they put in English and Singh, if they come in, then it can be a good thing. But Pratminder Singh also is always kind of
Hit and
iffy
miss.
player.
Yeah.
Hit and miss.
Yeah.
He played well versus India versus Pakistani. अभी जो हुआ था वो India A वाला सी emerging player वाला सी, he played well in that, but still very iffy player for sure.
लेकिन हम लोग ने इसके जो 11 गिना ना, उसमें 3 ही फॉरेन प्लेयर गिने, तो वो इंग्लिश विल एक्चुअली ओपन, एंड इसके साथ या तो आर्या को वो ओपन कराएगा और या तो प्रभसिमरन को ओपन कराएगा, because we only counted Maxwell, Stoinis and Janssen. Yeah, we didn't count the fourth overseas player in this, in fact. So English is going to open.
No, I'm saying कि if I look at their squad and benchmark it against the rest of the league, like right now when we go to Hyderabad,
Openers
that
is the
quality difference, the top
in
3 I would
opening.
say.
Correct. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Correct. So
That's their probably a weakness.
Weak point. Yeah.
And Iyer will be the captain.
yeah.
For sure. मतलब 27 देने के बाद
अय्यर बोलेगा मेरे को कैप्टन नहीं बनना है, तो फिर बिठा देंगे उसको भी. Right. I don't know how are we on time, you guys?
we can cover Hyderabad first and then
We
maybe
can cover one more team, and फिर बाकी के 5 we can do it in
Yeah.
the next part 2 on Thursday or something.
Sure.
Let's do Bengaluru.
Okay, let's
Okay, go for it.
I feel, according to me, not that सबसे I think they were not that great in the auction.
Controversial. I think we can come back to Bangalore or future maybe, but let's
हाँ,
see.
हाँ. Let's see.
So
What are
do
your
you
thoughts
think?
on Hazelwood first of all? Like Hazelwood as a marquee bowler.
Hazelwood, I think, is a good bowler. It's just that if in the last 2 seasons you are not, आपने Hazelwood को अच्छे से यूज नहीं किया लास्ट 2 सीजन में, तो आप उसको अभी कैसे यूज करना चाहते हो, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. आई एम ओनली सेइंग दिस, लाइक ही बैंगलोर में ही था हेजलवुड लास्ट 2 साल से, राइट? तो आपने हेजलवुड, you have not used him properly in the last 2 years, right? So, and Hazelwood, I just feel कि you have these Australian players, right? If you have them, उनका आपको बैकअप होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में स्केड्यूलिंग का बहुत इशू रहता है विद आईपीएल. सो प्लस इंजरीज का कभी इशू हो गया अगर फास्ट बॉलर है इसके लिए, तो फिर आई थिंक देन हु इज द बैकअप फॉर हेजलवुड अगर हेजलवुड नहीं रहेगा तो. लास्ट ईयर वही प्रॉब्लम था ना, हेजलवुड नहीं था, उसका बैकअप कौन था, प्रॉब्लम हो गया था ना.
एक
So
बार let's go a little
this year
down.
they will not make that mistake because again IPL has put a thing that if you don't show up, 2-year ban.
अच्छा.
If you don't show up, like if you're there and you don't show up for the league, other than family, like kind of they put a gray area of family and whatever, then they will be banned for 2 years. So that's the thing that they've put in this year, right?
अच्छा.
But if you think the great value buys, if I would say, Tim David for 3 crores. Even though he has not performed that well with Mumbai, but whenever he got a chance, I think he was decent. He was very decent, right? And especially in Bangalore, where this guy can his edges will go for sixes. Forget about hitting in middle of the bat. Like this guy can hit sixes at will in Bangalore. Krunal Pandya for 575. MI never bid for him, but for some reason 575 Krunal Pandya, and they got better. I don't know how much you've seen of this guy, but this guy he's one of the next finds in England.
Oh yeah.
He's that good of an all-rounder. Batting, bowling, and he bowls left arm spin and bats. Super batsman. So both and he played versus Australia. recently. So the T20s that they played, he was really good. This guy. So again, that 260 is a very good buy for them. But again, I feel they'll have a problem with again their same old issue: who's going to bowl at the end in pressure situation. Unless I'm missing
Any
someone, but
justification for them not using RTM on Will Jacks?
I think it's an internal between them and MI. Because MI, like
Okay.
Akash Ambani went to his table and said, "Thank you for not using it." Like, what the hell was that?
Anyone would do that यार 5 करोड़ में उसको मिल गया विल जैक्स मैं होता तो
and
मैं
he
भी
said,
जाके
नहीं
थैंक यू
चाहिए.
बोलता
बोलता नहीं चाहिए मुझे. So, like Ingidi, oh, they recently bought Ingidi for 1 lakh.
they
1
they
crore.
got this one also Padikal भी ले लिया वो लोगों ने I can see
Yeah.
now
They've done
2
particular for
crores.
2 CR.
initially he was going
Uh,
unsold
Yeah, he was going unsold. Romero Shepard लिया है, Tussara लिया है, Nuwan Tussara. So they got some bowlers at the end.
डेथ bowling कौन करेगा
वही दिख नहीं रहा है कोई. Bhuvi
Bhuvi is
can't
not a death
be
bowler
dead. Can't be a dead bowler.
Hazelwood is not a death bowler
So again, the same problem they are having from what I can see. Rafiq Salam is good. He bowls decent. But again, I don't know if he'll be able to bowl dead overs. दयाल बेचारे को तो लाइफ टाइम नाइटमेयर्स आएंगे उसको डेथ बॉलिंग में. So he's also there.
and
But again, they don't have a proper death bowler to defend in Bangalore.
death bowler they don't even have a proper spinner who is your proper spinner who is your frontline spinner
नीचे
Yeah.
आना एक बार. Let's see. कोई है
Suyesh
हमें?
Sharma,
Suyesh
Is
Sharma is
Suyesh
not your
Sharma.
frontline spinner yaar
if they are
Suyesh
banking on
Sharma
him.
Suyesh Sharma is your backup
But
backup
how would someone use an RTM on a 50 lakh player? Like, what the hell was that? Why would you use RTM on a 50 lakh
we
player?
won't
Like,
use RTM on Will Jacks but we will use
Bid and
RTM
get
on
a player.
Swapnil Singh
Like, you can bid for 50 lakhs and get the player. Because 35 lakhs का bidding था. 35 lakh का bidding था and then 50 lakhs पे ले लिया उसने. He could have bid 40 lakhs and got it for cheaper than like I still don't understand what was that. But yeah, they don't have a frontline spinner. Well, Bethel, but he's not a frontline spinner. He bowls well, but he's not like a frontline
he's a
spinner.
part-time spinner yeah
He's an all-rounder, so he's a batting
Yeah.
all-rounder. Kunal Pandya, same thing, batting all-rounder.
Huh.
Well, yeah,
he's not your I mean he's not your like your Kuldeep Yadav, right? He's not your
Yeah,
Kuldeep
yeah,
Yadav,
he's
or
not.
he's not your
So
Chahal, or
if
he's
you-
not like that kind of a bowler, right? So
if you look at their squad, their front three right now, like Phil Salt, Kohli, and Patidar. Like, this is the way they'll have to kind of just win their games, right? The top three has to really hit hard
That's
and make sure
always the
that
case with
yeah,
RCB. Where is the trophy?
yeah.
That's the case with RCB always. They only depend on their top three. So,
And
like if
I
you
think
think
Jitesh Sharma too high at 11 crores. Given
बहुत
the kind of
very
ज़्यादा,
options, yeah,
बहुत ज़्यादा. Especially now that he's not even showing up on the Indian team radar,
yeah.
right? Like after South Africa, he's not been showing up on the Indian team radar also. So if you think open will be what Virat
Why-
Kohli and Phil Salt,
100%.
Why
And
would
Patidar
you
went down.
take Jitesh Sharma for 11 crore when
And let
So
go of
many
Nitish.
people have been left.
Nitish Rana has gone for 4 crore? Correct? I mean, I feel
Yeah.
Nitish Rana is a much better batsman than
100%. Lefty
Jitesh
batsman.
Sharma.
Lefty batsman has been a captain of KKR. Lefty batsman and bowls occasionally. Like, what do you want?
Correct.
What else do you want, right?
Yeah.
You remove Jitesh Sharma, you could have got Washington Sundar plus Nitish Rana and still have some money in the bank to not use the RTM.
Exactly. So
I think
they,
yeah, they have missed
And-
the ये लोग क्या सोच रहे थे पता नहीं मेरे को like it's
the team
I
is
think
not
they really
bad.
want.
The team
But
Batting-
can it compete?
Batting is not
exactly.
bad. See, batting is not bad. If you look at their batting, as you said, Virat Kohli, Phil Salt, and then I don't know
Patidar.
whether you're thinking Patidar as number 3. Okay, fine.
Maybe Padikkal can come in because Padikkal
Like
and
Padikkal
Bangalore.
is not a again like I
Padikkal
wouldn't.
he's
Test
not
match.
even going to make their top 15. I think.
No. Padikkal ko you can't play and Chinnaswamy and ask him to make like 15 runs in like 12 balls or something like that. That's a no kind of a thing. So I feel Patidar at number 3. Number 4, I'll have to think. But then you have your Livingstone at 5.
Livingston, yeah.
Livingston is
David
playing
at 6.
4 for England.
Acha, okay. So he's playing 4.
Right now he's playing 4 for England because he's the captain.
Okay, so let's do Livingston at 4. Then who is your 5? Tim David.
Kunal
5
Pandya and
can
Jitesh.
be-
Oh yeah, Tim David, yeah.
Jitesh Sharma can be 5.
Jitesh
Your
Sharma is 5.
Bethel,
Tim
you were
David is
mentioning,
6.
right?
Tim David
Huh?
is 6. Tim David or Bethel,
You-
one of them is 6.
Yeah.
Actually, Betham is 5. Betham is a very good. But again, if you want to give overseas spot to him, Betham is a
And you
very
can't
good.
do-
But then top
You can't
3
do
में
Tim
से
David
देखा-
then.
Huh? Then you can't have Tim David. Exactly.
Yeah.
So it will be either Bethel or Tim David.
Correct.
Right. So assume karo कि Tim David will get the spot. So
Mhm.
5 will be Jitesh Sharma.
Yeah.
6 will be Tim David. 7 will be Krunal Pandya.
So their batting is ठीक है, decent है, kind of a thing, right?
Rashid
So-
Salam will be 8. He bats and bowls. Right? 8,
Okay.
9 Hazelwood, 10 Bhuvi, and 11 will be Suyesh Sharma.
Suresh Sharma, yes.
मैं वो bowling में कुछ है ही नहीं दम. Like
है ही
it is like it's like I don't know. I'm very
It's
underwhelming. Very underwhelming when it comes to bowling.
I don't know what they saw in Romario Shepherd. Like last year तो उसने MI में जो किया था, in गिडी है, उसको शायद कर ले. Again,
But again, foreign slot, right? Like they have to
foreign
use
में 40
Salt
slot है.
and yeah.
So who are the fixed forest slot? Salt, Hazelwood, and Livingston. They are non-negotiable.
Correct. And then you got
And
one
then-
left, which ideally is David or Bethel.
Tim David.
Tim David or Bethel. Now, okay, fine. Okay, you pick this, correct? Now, I'll tell you the flaws with the batting also, correct? You take out the first 3, which is Kohli, Salt, and Patidar,
Patidar.
correct? And then you will come to the 4, 5, 6, and that 4, 5, 6 doesn't give me any confidence. In case there are 2 quick wickets or 3 quick wickets. So if you see, is Livingston doesn't give me confidence. He's more like if he plays one game, he plays one game, but he's not like that rock solid player kind of a thing, right? Who can go switch gears either way. He can play number 3 gear or number 5 gear. He's not that kind of a player, right? Tim David, extreme hit and miss. Jitesh Sharma, not reliable, not proven, right? So that 4, 5, 6 is not giving me confidence. Now put this 4, 5, 6 in Chinnaswamy against spin. Livingston, Jitesh Sharma, and Tim David against spin. Of Noor Ahmed, Jadeja, and whatever another spinner. Ashwin. Come on, it's like you're going to struggle. Or you put this 4, 5, 6 versus Rashid Khan. ऐसे क्या होएगा?
But they are banking for their own 7 games, home games.
हाँ, but वो भी with their bowling lineup, even that's not sure, na. That's the problem.
That's the bigger problem with their bowling lineup and Chinnaswamy. It's like one of the worst bowling. Like you can't.
The point is, even if they score, their batting scores 200. They don't have a bowling to defend 200 at Chinnaswamy.
I feel we are talking about 2018 RCB. It's always the case.
It's always the case. It's always the case. So
they can, for some reason, they can never find good bowlers. I don't know why. Like,
you have to find bowlers which suit your style.
Pitch.
So if your pitch, exactly. So we were discussing in the preview ki when you are playing on a flat track, right, Wankhede or Chinnaswamy, you need swing bowling. Correct? I think Mumbai has done that, right? They went for bowl and then they went for Deepak Chahar, 2 swing bowlers, correct? and they went for a spinner who's a mystery spinner in that Afghanistan wala. Correct.
Yeah.
So you need that. Correct. You need that when you're doing at flat pitches. You need a trickery in the spin. Correct. You can't do Krunal Pandya wala spin. एक ही आके छोड़ रहा है flat wicket पे.
एक
Very
तो
difficult.
spinner चाहिए.
Correct. So and you need swing bowlers. Now they went for Bhuvi, which is one, but Bhuvi also I feel is past his prime. Right. So and they have no death bowling as well. So I feel like if you give me flat track wicket, correct, then I think Mumbai has a much better team where you have Bumrah to close the innings, and you have someone like Deepak Chahar and Bolt to bowl swing in the.
So I have a feeling
in the start.
if you
And a
if you
mystery
think
spinner.
about it, right, retaining Patidar for 11 crores, was that a good idea?
Yeah, I think that was
Look
fine.
at the other batsmen, how cheaper they've gone in the auction, right? Patidar has not performed to that level to demand an 11 crore in retention right now.
नहीं यार, KL Rahul 14 पे जा रहा है. I mean Patidar for 11.
का तो यार है, पर तू देखेगा तो यार बाकी के लोग हैं 4-5 करोड़ में जा रहा है.
Venkatesh Iyer went for 23.
That is a very wrong benchmark.
But no, Patidar is better than Venkatesh, kind of comparable to Venkatesh Iyer, right? So if you are retaining him for 11, it's, I feel, not a bad deal according to me. मेरे ख्याल से वो 11
They
करोड़
overpaid on Jitesh Sharma.
Jitesh Sharma was
Jitesh
too much.
Sharma,
Yeah.
for sure.
For sure.
Bhuvi, well, market, someone wanted him, so obviously that was the market. But
Mumbai
they've not
wanted him.
overpaid drastically on anyone else if you look at it.
They haven't, but I feel their
A Sam
selection of
Curran would have
bowlers
been
has
good for them. A Sam Curran
again
would have been good.
I feel not a flat deck bowler. He's more like a Chennai bowler where he can use his cutters and variations quite a lot. Like I feel if what they should have done is they should have gone for a mystery spinner or something, and there were like a few available according to me. So I feel they kind of missed the trick over there. And then you need like a proper closing bowler, like who can close the innings for you. So that is also kind of missing.
They have none, man. They have none.
Bowling कौन करेगा? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. एनगिरी करेगा.
He will
But
not be able to be in the squad, right? Your 4 slots are
But
filled.
Hazelwood is not a death bowler. Neither is Bhuvi to that extent.
But they can't go past these 5. Their 5 are like Bettel, David, Livingston, Hazelwood, and Salt. These are their top 5.
Correct.
So Ingidi, Tushara को लेगा तो बिठाएगा किसको?
Yeah.
Like you can't make Salt sit.
Correct.
You can't make Livingston sit. So those 2 slots are there. So what? Tim David, you're gonna make him sit? Maybe that's what's gonna happen.
That can be
But
the
they
only
might
option.
Tim David, you make him sit, then you play. ठीक है. Then you have to, but then Tim David and Bethel both are sitting. You are saying.
Both have to sit. Then only you can get Tusara in, right?
Correct.
Like bowling
Correct.
wise.
Then their
Then
batting
you can
becomes
get-
lower or the batting becomes weak. No.
Then the batting becomes weaker because and then like technically Krunal Pandya is batting at number 6 now.
But he's not a closer. He's not the one who's going to give you 20 runs in the last over.
Exactly, right. So that's why they need a Tim David in there. So Ingidi Shepherd तो पता नहीं वो तो नहीं खेलेगा. Tusara, Ingidi, I think they're gonna. Yeah, they are missing I think they are missing one Indian bowler, fast bowler. Bhuvi
And I feel spinner. They are missing a spinner.
and a spinner. Spinner for sure. Spinner is given. 100% the spinner they are missing. Yes, Dayal है उन लोग के पास. So if they are banking
Yes, they
on
also
him,
they retained Yes Dayal.
they retained him. So maybe they are banking on him to perform well.
Yeah, but then is he that bowler in the end who's going to give him that overs? Like it's a little.
Because yes, they also open कौन करेगा? Bowling will be Kumar and Hazelwood will be Bhuvi and Hazelwood.
मेरे को बताओ कैप्टन कौन है ये टीम का?
वो तो right now the word around is going on. It's going to be Kohli.
But मैं
Kohli
वही
is
बोल रहा
going
हूँ
to
they
come.
have so many gaps in this whole auction process. Correct. Abhi, of course, Kohli
100%.
ka they can make him captain, but that wasn't the ideal thing. Right? Kohli had already given up captaincy, so technically they should have got someone as a captain, correct, who can play with Kohli, kind of a thing. So, वो भी missing
I
है.
know you don't like Rahul, but I was really hoping Rahul would come here.
Rahul and Kohli
He
in
had
the same
the best
team.
year when he was in RCB.
I know we have another RCB fan with us. You might know him, Ishan. But
हाँ काड़ा.
हाँ, तो वो भी KL Rahul बोल रहा था. But I feel you cannot have KL Rahul and Kohli playing at Chinnaswamy together. You're not going to score 200 runs. I feel.
हाँ
वो
मतलब
बहुत
yeah, exactly, right? Like
वो
the batting order doesn't make sense, but then yeah, they are, some are saying that Livingston can be the captain as well because he's captaining England now. But I doubt they'll make Livingston the captain because then वो slot fix हो जाता है, right? Then
correct.
you can't be
Correct.
flexible enough to move. Like that's what happens when
Yeah.
you make
A
a
foreign player.
foreigner a captain, right? You can't get away from that person then. So
Correct.
Kohli is the only person who's going to be the captain here.
And I'll
Or
tell you,
Bhuvi.
इसमें भूवी
No.
भूवी
I highly doubt it.
and I'll tell you इसमें एक और प्रॉब्लम क्या लग रही है मेरे को. Livingston is very injury prone. If you see his record, his injury record is very this thing. बहुत इंजर होता है. Same is the case with Salt. बहुत इंजरी होता है. Hazelwood, Australia, commitment in clash. अभी of course you are saying कि नहीं कर सकते ऐसे, but I feel वो हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है. I don't know. Bethel again, England. वो लोग कभी absent ही रहते हैं England players. So I think
Yeah. Lot of
For-
missing pieces.
for me, I will give like a solid 5 on 10 for them in their auction. So 4 or 5 max kind of a thing. Unless, yeah, Kohli or someone goes on that run where he scores like 800 runs again in an IPL season. So let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, I think a 5 is good enough for these guys. 5 would be good.
Okay, thanks for watching everyone. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमें बताइए कि आपके हिसाब से सबसे अच्छा ऑक्शन कौन से टीम का रहा. And we will see you next time in the part 2 of this video. See you.